Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, couldn't start the game with the error code 30004, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your Fortnite's directory, you're going to go into Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, easy anti-cheat, and here you'll have this easy anti-cheat EOS setup. You're going to right click on it, click create shortcut, you're going to right click on the shortcut, click properties, and at the end of the target you're going to write repair, click apply. Okay, now right click the shortcut, click run as administrator and install the easy anti-cheat from there. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go back once, and then in this Win64 folder you'll have these three exe files. You're just going to go ahead and delete all three of them, and once you're done deleting those three files, now you're going to go ahead and delete this easy anti-cheat folder as well. And after you're done deleting this easy anti-cheat folder, you're going to open up Epic Games Launcher. You're going to go on to your library. You're going to go on to Fortnite. I'm going to use GTA as an example. You're going to click onto these three dots on Fortnite, click manage, click verify here and let it verify the files. And once it's done verifying, then you're going to go ahead and play the game and you'll see that Fortnite will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.